Hi, Unbox Nova here. Here we have the Kingsman on 4K Steelbook. It has Dolby Atmos on the 4K disc and DTS Master Audio 7.1 on the Blu-ray. Runtime is 2 hours and 11 minutes. Aspect ratio 239:1. It doesn't say anything about HDR, but I can check. So take a look inside. What we got. Okay, slide it off. There we go. Semi-matte finish, Kingsman. The top, the spine, we have Fox logo, Blu-ray disc. Gun on the back side. This is the Scandinavian release. Here we have the 4K disc. And the Blu-ray disc. We have some inside art. Yes, there we have the Kingsman on 4K Steelbook. Please like and subscribe to my channel. I'll be back soon with more stuff. So stay tuned. See you then. Bye.